In this particular question, we're told that 4 times x plus 4 equals x minus 20. So in this question, we're trying to obviously find x, where it will satisfy the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And when I say that, I mean the left-hand side must also equal the right-hand side. So to do this, I would say first step would be to expand the brackets. So we've got 4 times x will give us 4x, and then 4 times 4 will be positive 16, and that equals to x minus 20. Now, as I've stated previously, I personally like to collect all my like terms together, especially ones with variables on the left-hand side, and then my constants on my right-hand side. So how this is going to look is I'm going to take this x over to the left-hand side, and in doing that it goes from positive to negative, so it'll go 4x minus x equals 2, and I'll take this positive 16 over to the right-hand side, and that becomes minus 20 minus 16. Simplifying this now, I've got 3x equals negative 2 minus 16 is negative 36. So the next step says 3 times x equals negative 36. So I'm obviously trying to find something times 3 that will get me to negative 36. Algebraically, we do this by dividing it out by 3, because remember it's 3 times x. So if I want to move that 3 over to the right hand side, I need to do the inverse operation. And the inverse of multiplying is to divide. So I'm going to divide both the left hand side and the right hand side by 3. That will simplify to just x, and that'll give me negative 12. If I want to prove this now, to check that both sides are equal to each other, so let's do that. So the proof, let's just say we're trying to work out the left-hand side. So 4 times negative 12 plus 4. So what is that? So let's actually, before we even expand, let's simplify that. So 4 times negative 12 plus 4 will be negative 8, and that will get me to negative 32. So now that's what my left-hand side equals. Let's check, what does my right-hand side equal? So negative 12 minus 20 is also negative 32. So seeing that, we can see that they're both equal to negative 32, which means we are correct in saying that x equals negative 12.